हेलो व्यूअर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यू आर वाचिंग 5 मिनट लर्निंग और आज हम इस वीडियो में ये देखेंगे कि एथिक्स पर ऐसे या मजमून कैसे लिखा जाता है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Ethics define the way a person should behave in any given situation. They are embedded in us from our childhood, and almost every decision we make in our life is largely influenced by our ethical values. A person is considered good or bad based on his ethical conduct. Ethics hold immense importance in both our personal and professional life. A person who holds high ethical values, truly believes in them, and follows them would be much more sorted as compared to those who follow the set ethical norms but do not really believe in the same. Then there is yet another category of people, those who do not believe in the ethical norms and thus do not follow them. These may be a cause of disruption of peace in the society. Importance of ethics in our personal life. The minds of the people are conditioned as per the accepted moral and ethical values existent in the society they are brought up in. The importance of ethics cannot be undermined. A child needs to be taught what behavior is accepted in the society and what is not from the very beginning in order for him to live in harmony with the society. The system has basically been put in place so that people know how to act right and maintain peace and harmony in the society. Taking decisions become easier for people as the right and wrong has already been defined. Imagine if the right doings and wrongdoings were not defined, everyone would act as per their will based on their own versions of right and wrong. This would make things chaotic and give rise to crime. Importance of ethics in our professional life. Maintaining ethical conduct is extremely important at workplace. Besides the basic ethics and values defined by the society, every organization determines its set of ethical values. Every individual working in that organization must follow them to maintain the code of conduct. Some examples of common ethical codes set by organizations can be to treat employees fairly, deal with honesty, never leak the company's inside information, respect your co-workers, and if something appears wrong with the company's management or some employees, it must be addressed politely and directly rather than creating unnecessary issue about the same. Setting these workplace ethics helps in smooth functioning of the organization. Any employee seen violating an ethical code is issued warning letter or penalized in different ways based on the severity of the issue. In case of absence of the set ethical code is an organization, things are likely to become chaotic and unmanageable. It is thus essential for every organization to set these norms. Ethical codes in an organization do not only help in ensuring good work environment but also teach the employees as how to deal with the clients in different situations. A company's ethical code basically echoes its core values and responsibilities. Conclusion. Setting an ethical code for the society as well as at workplaces and other institutions is essential. It helps the people recognize as to what is right and what is wrong, and encourages them to behave the right way. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.